Afternoon from Oanda, Asia, in this week's Market Insights video. The subject of most of the video today will be cryptocurrencies, and I'm not wearing a tie today so that I feel young and hip enough to talk about it. If we look at the crypto space, particularly today, it's been a torrid session. Cryptos have fallen quite aggressively over the last week, but it's been a bit of a meltdown today. We look at Ethereum's chart. We can see that Ethereum is down 12% in Asia and is just above the $3,000 mark. If we move over to Elon Musk's favorite little coin, Dogecoin, we can see it too is down around 12.5%. Although I must say the formation that it's tracing out is more of a compressing triangle, and thus if it was to move above 50 cents again, something I think is unlikely, it would likely extend that rally. If it falls below 38 cents, it is going to continue falling. We move through to the center of the crypto universe, Bitcoin. It is down 7% as I speak, trading around $40,300 of US fiat currency per Bitcoin. It has actually traded below the key $40,000 level this afternoon, trading as low as $38,500. 40,000 is a key level for Bitcoin and really will be an intraday pivot point because it is also where the 200-day moving average lies. To be honest, if we close below 40,000 tonight, that will imply that we are going to see a much more extended sell-off in Bitcoin, and the technical target for that is around 28,000. I will note though that the relative strength index, which is that box at the bottom of the charts, has moved into oversold territory, and no matter what your opinion is of Bitcoin, etc., Bitcoin could actually rally temporarily because of that oversold condition. So there's some hope out there for some of you. So why are cryptos under such a lot of pressure? Well, the main reason comes from overnight, where the People's Bank of China and some associated entities with it have come out and officially banned financial institutions in China from transacting or pricing any services or products in cryptocurrencies, virtual currencies. Now that story didn't get a lot of traction overnight, but when it got picked up by Reuters this morning in Asia, it sure did, and we've seen cryptos taking a bath ever since. So what is the outlook for crypto? What is the threats for crypto? Some say it's a hedge for inflation. Some say it's a store of wealth. Some say it's the future. Some say it's not the future. I don't think anything matters in this particular case. The main issue with crypto now is that after the Colonial Pipeline ransom was paid in Bitcoin, it is now poked a stick at a sleeping bear, and I feel going forward that the main threat to the crypto universe in totality will be regulation. We've seen some shots fired across the board from China, and I have a feeling that we're going to see some more action coming now after the Colonial Pipeline saga from US authorities and or politicians, and that action may be repeated around the world. To be honest, the price action and the behavior in the crypto universe has looked it's looked like a Roman orgy that Caligula would be happy with. Such has been the Wild West nature of it. And I believe right now, regulation is the main threat. And if you are a crypto trader or investor, you should be watching those developments in that space very, very closely. So where is that crypto selling going? Well, some of it, I believe, is going to gold. Gold's had a mighty rally this week. It's trading around $1,869. As viewers will know, I've stated that I felt that gold had traced a cyclical low in prices below 1,700 some time ago. It now looks poised to test 1,900, and I think that can happen. But first, if we look at that box at the bottom of the charts, we can see the RSI is overbought. It is vulnerable to a short-term pullback, perhaps as far as $1,840. But as long as it holds above $1,800, I believe that gold is destined for higher levels yet, and we should see a test of 1,900 sooner rather than later. That's all we have time for. Thanks for tuning in, and have a profitable week ahead.